This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Donna O'Neill. This lovely, serene 4.93 acres of lush pastureland and rolling wooded forest land is located in a small quiet community with easy access to both Blue Ridge and Murphy NC. The gentle laying property is so pleasing in many ways. There is an abundance of wild holly and mountain laurel throughout the property, and seasonal mountain views can be seen from the pastureland as well as from the rolling forestland. In addition, views of a noisy little branch meandering through the woods just across the south property line adds the perfect ambience to one of the many possible building sites on the property. The community offers sensible restrictions, underground utilities, easy road access to the lot's 381 feet of road frontage with a dirt driveway already in place leading to another potential building site, and this property can be subdivided into 2 lots per the C&Rs. Just 20 minutes to Lake Blue Ridge, the Toccoa River or Harrah's Casino. For more information,